Forgot your Instagram password and now you're stuck on the login screen? Don't worry, you're not hacked. This is actually super easy to fix. It happens all the time. You stay logged in for months, then suddenly switch phones or get logged out, and boom, you can't remember your password anymore. On the Instagram login page, tap Forgot Password, then enter your username, email, or phone number linked to your account. Use whatever you still have access to. Instagram will send you a login link or a verification code. Check your SMS inbox or email inbox, including spam or promotions folders. Once you get it, tap the link or enter the code. Now you'll be taken to a reset screen where you can create a new password. Make it strong by mixing letters, numbers, and symbols so you don't get locked out again. If you don't receive anything, wait a few minutes and resend the code. Sometimes Instagram just takes a bit of time. After you're back in, save your password somewhere safe or use a password manager so this doesn't happen again. And that's it, you're back in your account. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this.